Good afternoon, welcome to Your Next Cars YouTube channel. Wasim here presenting a short video presentation of this gorgeous F36 420 diesel GRAN coupe we're having. Presented in Alpine White Metallic. The purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll talk you through some of the features and options as well as some of the aesthetic styling upgrades which we've carried out in-house. This is a one-owner vehicle which is becoming increasingly rare at the moment. 35,000 miles with a full BMW service history. We've fitted the Your Next Car styling pack. Consists of the twin slat kidney grille, gloss black, 3-piece front splitter, expertly fitted. 20-inch wheels with brand new tyres. These are the competition style with the gloss black inserts and the polished face. Xenon headlights, 8-speed automatic, gloss black mirror caps, air breathers, staggered wheels, so wider option on the rear. Really tidy car, as you'd expect. Just shy of 4 years old. And you see the diffuser. Automatic tailgate. Bags of boot room, original mats, split folding rear seats as well. It only has a standard factory tinted grass. If you prefer sort of the limo tint, please ask, that's something we can supply. Nice fixed rear bench with the rear centre armrest. Inside you'll see the black Dakota leather, heated front seats with electric lumbar support, 4 electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights. You see the blue sports dash trim going across the dash there, which is a staple for the F36. Professional widescreen navigation. You see upgraded with the hotkeys. Paddle shift, cruise control, speed limiter, media-wise Bluetooth phone, auxiliary and media playback, DB radio as well. Let's take a look at the all-important service history. Full BMW right the way up to 33,000, currently on 31, last serviced just in July. Really well presented car, original book packs, 2 keys present, ready to drive away. PCP at 8.9 APR. Part exchange is very welcome. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you.